Hi, this is Megan with Neo Smiles Orthodontics, and today I'm going to show you how to use your gel to keep your trays nice and clean and your attachments nice and bright. So in your start pack, you should have received 2 syringes. If you haven't, let us know. You can always purchase extras also when you do run out. So 2 syringes come in a little pack. What you're going to do is remove the white tip. A clear tip is also in the pouch. You're going to place it over the syringe. You're going to remove the cap. And make sure that you have washed your hands and you've brushed your teeth and your trays are nice and clean and ready to go. What you're gonna do is you're gonna dispense just a tiny little drop in each tooth slot all across your tray, and you can just do it on the fronts of your teeth. You don't have to do it on the back. Once you have gel in your tray, you're gonna insert the tray over your teeth. You're gonna push them nice and tightly over your teeth. You take your finger, slide it across just to kind of distribute the gel a little bit more evenly. If you find that the gel has oozed out and is on your gums, take a tissue and wipe it off to avoid any sensitivity. You should wear these trays with the gel about 30 minutes. Start out with 30 minutes to ensure that you do not have any sensitivity. If you do discover that you do, please discontinue the product and let us know. Some sensitivity is normal to your teeth, so avoid any citrus fruit. Try to avoid drinking coffee, anything that will stain your teeth. So you're going to use that 30 minutes a day, twice a week. And so the product should last you about 2 to 3 months, and then you'll be ready for a purchase that will keep your attachments nice and bright and trays nice and clean. Another product that we recommend is called Retainer Bright. You can find that on Amazon, and this keeps your trays nice and clean as well. These are little tablets that you're just going to put in a cup with water and place your trays in there to soak. This will ensure that your treatment is looking nice and bright, and we'll see you back in the office. Take care.